Are your JPG or JPEG files not opening in Windows 11? We've got two simple solutions. Open the search menu and type Settings. Select the Settings app from the results. In Settings, select Apps on the left side. Under Installed Apps, type Photos in the search field. Select the three-dot icon next to Photos and choose Advanced Options. Scroll down to Reset. If the app isn't working right, try selecting Repair. This won't affect your app data. If the issue persists, select Reset. This will delete app data, preferences, and sign-in details. After resetting, close the window and restart your computer. If the problem continues, open the search menu and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the elevated Command Prompt window, type SFC/Scano and press Enter. Wait for the system scan to complete. This may take time. Once the scan is finished, close the Command Prompt and restart your computer again. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.